Rapper scene: Diddy Combs is currently serving a 50-month sentence at the Federal Correctional Institution (FCI) Fort Dix in New Jersey after being convicted onto prostitution-related charges. Amid his time behind bars, it has been reported that Diddy has sold one of his most famous assets, his made black private jet. People magazine confirmed that the 56-year-old rapper sold his Gulfstream G550 aircraft in October 2025, just 3 months after his conviction. Previously, the private jet was managed by Silver Air Private Jets, but the company no longer oversees it following the change in ownership. The jet, formerly registered under tail number N1969C, now has a new registration in San Marino with the tail number T7OKS, according to FAA records. The sale was handled through Diddy's Laware LLC, although the exact sale price remains unknown. Based on similar models, the jet could have sold for anywhere between $15 million and $30 million. Fans last saw Diddy boarding the aircraft in an Instagram clip where he walked up to the jet, showing off its matte black exterior and seating for up to 14 passengers. The luxurious plane was built in 2015, and Diddy has often been photographed stepping aboard it. Earlier reports suggested that Diddy's aircraft had been put on rent after his arrest in September 2024, reportedly due to financial troubles amid his legal battles. Diddy's legal issues began in 2024 when he was arrested, initially held at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. In July, he was sentenced to 50 months in prison and fined $500,000 by District Judge Arun Subramanian. He has since been transferred to a federal prison in New Jersey. While serving his sentence, Diddy appears to have distanced himself from the outside world and his high-value assets, including the private jet that became a symbol of his luxury lifestyle. Despite the ongoing legal troubles, the sale of the jet marks another significant chapter in the rapper's financial and personal life. Fans continue to follow the developments, keeping a close eye on one of hip-hop's most prominent figures.